Buzz, you can customize your experience. To do that, click up here in the User menu and select Settings. If your school allows, or your organization, you can change your username and email. If not, that is indicated or set by them. Some things to take note of is you can change your profile picture if allowed. You can hide excuse assignments, hide scores in the sidebar, or you can have visual indicators for below passing and dashboard lights. These are things that will be available as your activities are graded. You can also get notifications. You'll need to put in your email that you want the notifications to go to or a mobile number. For notifications, these are the options that you have. You can get notified when you submit an activity, receive a score or feedback, awarded a badge, your grade drops below passing, or your enrollment status has changed. You need to choose simply how you want to receive that notification. SMS is a text message. So if I want to have a text message for those, I simply click in the box for each row. You can also choose email. If you do choose email, you will then choose if you want to get a daily email summary or a weekly summary. When you're ready, you will click Save. And that will save your settings.